I've had a lot of people ask me what gear I use to create videos on YouTube. So today I'm going to create a video about the gear that I currently use to create my videos for YouTube, so that you can go and check it all out. So my main camera setup is a Canon 70D with a 17 to 40mm lens. This was my main camera until it unexpectedly broke. Not so good, Canon. So luckily I've got a secondary setup, which is a Nikon D7000 with an 18 to 50mm lens, which is what I'm currently filming on right now. So luckily I've got a secondary setup, which is my Nikon D7000 with an 18 to 50mm lens. This is what I'm currently filming on. What do you guys think of the quality of the video on this camera? Let me know in the comments below. I'm very interested to hear what you guys think. For sound, I use the Rode VideoMic Go. And then for lighting in the studio, I use my Photex LED light. I'm going to leave you links to all of this gear in the description below. For my fellow South Africans, I'm going to link to my favorite photography store in Cape Town, which is Orms. I order a lot of my stuff online from them, and they deliver it much faster than any other service in South Africa. So they're my trusted go-to guys for my camera equipment. Post-production. So what I do once I'm finished filming, I take all my raw files and I copy them onto my external hard drive. So I use an SSD hard drive. This is just a tiny bit better than using a normal hard drive, which is going to be a bit slower when I'm trying to edit my footage. I do all my editing on my MacBook Pro. I use a 15-inch, the old 2015 model, so that I've still got my USB ports. I don't think I'd manage the new laptops that don't have USB. I use USB for everything at the moment. Until I upgrade to USB-C, this still makes sense for me. Once I've got all my footage on my external hard drive, I'll then import it into Premiere Pro. I do very light editing for my YouTube videos, and then maybe I'll do a tiny bit of work in After Effects. I use the Adobe Creative Cloud because I use Premiere Pro, After Effects, and then I use Lightroom and Photoshop to create my thumbnails for my videos. So I need the entire system so that I can use all four of those programs in the post-production of my videos. So that's a wrap on the current gear that I use for YouTube. If you like this gear, hit that like button. If you think I should get something else that's going to help me improve my videos, leave me a comment below. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. Now for my dream gear. If I didn't have a limit on any budget and I could spend as much money as I wanted on my gear, I'd definitely go for the Sony A7. This is a beautiful 4K camera with a full frame sensor, which I really want to move on to. Then I'd use the Sony 16 to 35mm lens, and I'd also get the Canon 24mm lens. I really love using prime lenses for video. It just gives you that beautiful bokeh in the background. I'd probably upgrade my sound to the Rode VideoMic Pro, and then I'd also get a lavalier mic, which I could have on me for certain situations. I'd get 2 light boxes so we can light up the moneymaker a bit better. And then the only thing I'd upgrade in my post-production is I'd get the iMac 27-inch with a Retina display. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We create new videos every single day, helping you start and grow on YouTube. I'll leave links to everything in the description below. These are affiliate links, and by using these links, you're helping support my channel and my journey as being a creator. So thanks for using them. We'll see you in the next video.